Hey, I'm Zach from the Cvent team. Today, I want to show you an easy way to spot your most engaged event attendees using Cvent Engagement Scoring. Engagement scoring helps you figure out who's really connecting with your events, so you know right away who your best leads are. Here's the deal. When you open your engagement scoring dashboard, you'll see real-time scores for every attendee. You could sort them by rank, score percentage, or activity, like if they joined a webinar, came to a field event, or clicked around digitally. You get to set the rules, so if you want to give points for session check-ins, booth visits, or survey completions, that's totally up to you. As people register, join your sessions, book meetings, or download sponsor content, their score updates automatically. If you're hunting for top prospects, just filter by the highest scores. From there, you can export that list or push it straight to Salesforce, Marketo, or Eloqua. And to connect it all back to pipeline, Cvent's reporting shows you engagement at the company level and tracks how those folks turn into MQLs and SQLs, so you've got real proof of ROI. You want to zoom out? The Cross-Event Insights dashboard shows you scores across all your events, so you could spot repeat attendees and keep an eye out for those high-value prospects. And that's it. Engagement scoring gives you a clear, up-to-date picture of who's really leaning in the most. Check out our other videos or head over to cvent.com/help to dig in more. Thanks for watching.